there, it's Laura Rimmer here from iBrandBoost.com. I just got home, I've been out in a meeting, and look what has turned up. This is my One Funnel Away challenge box that arrived in the post. So I've got to say, it's taken a little while to get here, but now it's here. I'm so looking forward to unboxing this. So let's do it on camera, shall we? Because I've had a chance to look online. When I signed up for One Funnel Away, then it goes through all the things you get in the post, but I am looking forward to seeing it in the flesh and using these materials. So let's get into it, shall we? So, I've opened it upside down. So there we go. There's some writing here. So what does this say? Your training officially begins now, it says. To each there comes in their lifetime a special moment where they are figuratively tapped on the shoulder and offered the chance to do a very special thing, unique to them and fitted to their talents. What a tragedy if that moment finds them unprepared or unqualified for that which could have been their finest hour. And that's a quote from Winston Churchill. So that's really encouraging. And so I'll let you into a little bit of a secret. I'm halfway through the One Funnel Away challenge. And I can say that this quote is very fitting because the training goes well above expectation. The training is like $100, and if you're an affiliate of One Funnel Away, which I am, then you can promote it and you get $100 commission check. So I've just promoted it to just one person so far and received that commission. So my place already has been free. I've got several other people interested. I've done a One Funnel Away challenge review post on my blog if you want to check that out. And this certainly is true. You're figuratively tapped on the shoulder and you have unique talents. What a tragedy if you're unprepared. So most entrepreneurs, anyone who's got creativity in them, who wants to put things out in the world to build a funnel, this box here and the online training and the coaching from Stephen Larsen, who is a phenomenal coach. Stephen really annoyed me when I first saw him, and after 2 days I was like, this man's awesome. He's so encouraging. He's trained so far like 2,000 people, I think he said, in this One Funnel Away challenge. So he knows exactly the sticking points that even I've been in business 10 years. So whether you're new or been in business, a relatively long time, he knows the areas where you're going to waver in your confidence, maybe procrastinate. So Stephen's awesome. Russell's training is brilliant. Julie Stoian's training is brilliant. And the materials are wonderful. So anyway, let's get into what we have next. So little one-page intro. How would you like to earn $100 every time someone joins the One Funnel Away challenge with you? So this, I haven't read it all yet, but this is highlighting to you the fact that as an affiliate, you can make $100 per person you refer. So that is awesome. You can generate a good side passive income just promoting the One Funnel Away challenge. So I shall read that later. Look at this. So the packaging is nice. We've got this, fancy red fluffy stuff. We'll open this in a second. Let's see what's underneath. So this is One Funnel Away challenge. This is the memory stick with all of the training. So Stephen's coaching, I think Julie's coaching as well, and certainly Russell's training is on here. This is really good quality. This isn't a tacky thing. It doesn't look cheapy, which I expect. In all honesty, I expected it to be, which is probably unfair, but no, it's good quality. Yeah, quite heavy. So I shall look forward to listening to that, definitely, and just going back over the training, because there's tons of content. There's hours and hours of coaching calls, so this will be useful to refresh my memory of, to go back over, and yeah, to just have it all on one dedicated MP3 player is really useful. So that's great. I wonder whether I might be able to put on some of the additional training, like the live coaching calls in my particular round of OFA, Stephen's coaching, whether I could put these on. I don't know whether this is full or not, but I suspect I might be able to add a few files to here. So that's lovely in a nice Nice box, you know, good quality. This is, yeah, it's really good quality materials here. So what do we have here? 2 Comma Club coaching. The life you want, the marriage you want, the family you want is going to be fueled by the business you build. Yeah, I would agree to a degree with that. Okay, so yeah, outlining the 2 Comma Club and how to join that coaching. And the 2 Comma Club is to move you towards earning a 2 comma income through ClickFunnels. So i.e. $1 million or more through a ClickFunnels, through your ClickFunnels account, so with a funnel, which is awesome. So yeah, that'll be interesting to read through. And here we have the workbook. So this is every day's, because I've downloaded this online so far, but this is again useful. I've so far printed out a lot of this, but to have it all in a ring binder in colour, that again I can just go back through and, you know, use time and time again, will be really useful. So that is helpful. So I shall get into that later today. Anything else down here? No, I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So lastly, we just have this, and I know what this is, and I'm really looking forward to reading through this fully. So nice, yeah, nice quality packaging. They've really added some nice finishing touches to this. It's not been done cheapy or anything like that. It's really quite expensive looking. So what's this? $100. You're just 1 funnel away. Yeah, so this is just reminding you again about the $100 commission that you can get every time you refer someone to 1 funnel away. So this is the 30-day people. As a bonus in the 1 funnel away challenge, you get access to the 30 people who've done 7 figures in a ClickFunnels. So they're in the 2 Comma Club. What they would do if you suddenly lose everything, what would you do from day 1 to 30 to save yourself, so to earn back, you know, 6 figures or more with a funnel? So if you're starting from scratch, knowing what they know about building a $1 million funnel in ClickFunnels, what would you do to do it again? And this has been really fascinating. I've only gone through several of these so far. So this book is each entrepreneur's step-by-step plan. So this potentially is going to make you, could make you 7 figures. You know, there's 30 7-figure plans in here in essence, because these people are saying, if I had to start again and not making all the mistakes that I made, what would I do? So these are basically 30 7-figure plans. That's a priceless book in my view, so I'm going to look forward to going through this. The beauty of this, like I say, I've only gone through a few of these so far, but the beauty of them is that there'll be different people that you relate to, different people with funnel ideas and creative projects and businesses that are similar to yours. Some will be totally different to yours. Some won't resonate with you. Others will be totally different to yours, but you'll think, wow, I could implement that in my business, and will really inspire you. So this is, yeah, a phenomenal document, and I'll look forward to reading through all of this. I've read through probably a third of these so far. And then associated with this, you get in the members area, and I don't know whether it's on this as well, not sure, but certainly in the members area of the 1 Funnel Away challenge, you get the audios and the videos rather of each entrepreneur going through their 30-day plan, so a complete interview, and then a second video for each person breaking down their funnel, so going into their ClickFunnels account and showing you step by step, so live funnel hacking, if you like. So I'm overjoyed to have received this in the post at last, and really good quality book, hardcover book. So for $100, this is to get all this shipped in the post, plus hours and hours of training, second to none training. I think I said in a previous video on 1 Funnel Away and on my blog post that, you know, having been in business for 10 years, I've bought a lot of training over the years. I've hired coaches for thousands of dollars. I've bought hundreds of online courses and programs, and you know, I'm struggling to think of any that are better than this, and this is $100. So this is an absolute, it's not only a no-brainer, it's just madness really that they're giving away so much great valuable training, coaching. You know, Stephen's course coach you intensively on this stuff. You're in a Facebook group where everyone else is going through this with you, so it gives you momentum, it gives you accountability, it gives you encouragement, you know, motivation, as well as step-by-step, easy, proven training for building a 7-figure business. It gives you the funnels. Click this here to add this funnel into your Clickfunnels account. So that's all done for you. You just simply add in your graphics, your headline. You know, Russell says this in the training. He can't make it any simpler for you. It's step by step, A to Z. Nothing is missed out. And what you will come up against going through One Funnel Away, unless you've built 7-figure business before, but even then I'm guessing maybe you still will come up to some of these, it's just the mental challenges, the mental blocks of, oh, can I do this? But again, Stephen walks you and coaches you through that. He knows when these blockages are going to come up and he gets you through it. So I can't say enough good things about the One Funnel Away challenge. I would really suggest that you check it out. I will link below to my blog post and another video I've done on One Funnel Away. Feel free to sign up via my link. When you do, then I'm going to give you a bonus, over $2,000 bonus of my website profit system program that I've sold from stage for over $2,000 before. There's like 15 hours of content showing you how to set up autoresponders and sales pages and your email list and your content and how to produce good content in a 4-step way and your publishing calendar, all the stuff that Stephen will talk about some of this in the challenge, but he's specific, and Russell as well, but they're specifically focused on funnels. So when you're thinking, okay, how do I set up? Do I need to set up a website? How do I publish content? Can I have a streamlined way of doing that? That's where I come in. That's where I can help you with this stuff. So, you know, my bonus will really supplement One Funnel Away. And I would even be as bold as to say you don't need any more training. Once you get this and you have my website profit system, you're done. No more training to buy, all for a measly $100. And then when you promote One Funnel Away to just one more friend, you get it free. Go and sign up. Go and sign up. I'd really encourage you to. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed my showing you what's inside the One Funnel Away box. And I'm going to carry on drinking my coffee and having my dark chocolate bar over lunch. Okay. Thanks for watching. Speak to you later. Bye-bye.